Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your teacher, Mr. A plus. Okay, so we are looking at this question that has been displayed on the chalkboard. Okay, so this question, as you can see, is coming from the past paper 1 2024 internal, and it was question number 9. A six-sided die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a number which is a multiple of 3. Then B, solve the equation. Open bracket 1 minus 2t squared minus 25. Okay, so first thing, as I was emphasized, you have to identify the topic from which the question is coming. So the first one, which is 9a, is coming from probability. Then the other one, equations. So let me solve it and see how it is going to come out. So we are saying a six-sided die is thrown once. So six-sided die. So you all know that a die has got how many numbers? 1 up to 6. So now what they want is you to give the probability of getting a number which is a multiple of 3. So the other thing that you must understand is what is a multiple. A multiple, that is a number where a given number can go into without leaving a remainder. So in this case, we are talking of 3, a number where 3 can go into without leaving a remainder. So 1 to 6, one of them is 3 itself. So 3 can go into 3. Then the other one is 2. The other one is 6. 3 can go into 6. So from 1 up to 6, the only number where 3 can go into without leaving a remainder is just 3 and 6. Therefore, we have 2 favorable outcomes there. So the probability is equals to the favorable outcome over possible outcome. Favorable outcome is 2. Okay. The possible outcomes is 6 because they are 6. Okay. Then from there, you can reduce this by doing what? Since 2 can go into 2, can also go into 6. So 2 into 2 is 1. Then 2 into 6 is what? 3. So the probability of getting a number which is a multiple of 3 is 1 over 3. Thank you so much for that one. Then we go to B. We solve the equation. This is A. Then B. The equation, we have 1 minus 2t, open and close, squared, then equals 25. So I want to find the value of t. So the first thing that we are supposed to do is to get rid of the power, which is the square. So we say 1. So for us to get rid of this, it means we need to introduce the square root both sides. So this one and that will go. Then we are going to remain with 1 minus 2t equals, what is the square root of 25 is 5. Then from there we can say 2. Remember when we are introducing the square root, we have positive, negative. So we are saying positive, negative. Then here, 1 minus 2t, okay, we'll say 2t, we are correctly like terms, is equals to 5. This is the positive, when it goes this side to be negative. Negative 1, or negative 2t equals negative 5, then minus 1. Okay. So there now say negative 2t equals 4. So here we can say both sides negative 2. So t is equals to negative 2, or you can say negative 2t equals negative 6, because negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6. Then negative 2, negative 2. Then t is equals to 3. So we have 2 answers there because of the square root. So this is how we do what? We solve this type of equations. Thank you so very much.